Wonder FM Cebu, ang online radio sa mga Bisaya. Enjoy lang!
Hello, I am Wonderloo. Is your radio out of a tram? We got you. We got a new offer just for you. Wonder FM Cebu. Wonder FM Cebu is your premier online radio station bringing the best in health and wellness, sports and entertainment, game show and movies, news and current events, music and arts. Our vision is to be a dynamic radio station captivating listeners with its diverse content, from vibrant music selections to engaging talk shows. It offers a spectrum of entertainment with its passionate team and commitment to excellence. It continues to inspire and uplift audiences across the region. Our mission is centered around providing entertaining, informative, and culturally relevant content to its listeners in the world. It aims to promote local music, events, and community engagement while also delivering equality programming that resonates with its audience. Why choose Wonder FM Cebu? Choosing Wonder FM Cebu as your advertising partner means tapping into a loyal and engaged audience that trusts and values our brand. Our experienced team understands the local market dynamics and will work close with you to create customized advertising solutions such as display business logo during live stream, business voiceover, 2D or whiteboard commercial video, advertising through FB ads. But wait, there's more! Wonder Hub Plus, Wonder Production, and Wonder Cafe. Wonder Hub Plus, your instant miracle in a tube. Say goodbye to pain and discomfort with a revolutionary formula. Muscle aches, joint pains, cramps, we get you covered. Wonder Plus Rub has 3 scents: ginger and lemon, lavender and mint, Paragazet Panyawan. It can help relieve cough, cold, joint and muscle pain, dizziness, headache, stomachache, stress, insect bites, and many more. Wonder Hub Plus Essential Oil has peppermint scent. It is best for headaches, migraine, rheumatism, mellitus, asthma, arthritis, back, and shoulder pain. Wonder Hub Plus Rollet has peppermint scent. It is good for headache, congestion, stress, dizziness, and insomnia. Embrace the wonder of Wonder Hub Plus today, approved by FDA. Discover your star potential with Wonder Production. Light and sound rental, event host, event DJ, variety show, That's My Tomboy, boxing sa Unano, boxing bayot versus Unano, comedy show, acrobat show, basket sa Unano, basket bayot versus Unano, Miss Gay, singing contest, Miss Teen, Mr. Pogay, Macho Gay, dance sport, Hot Mama, live band, percussion band, magician, double cara, and stage drama. Dare to dream, dare to dazzle with Wonder Production.
Wonder FM Cebu, ang online radio sa mga Bisaya. Enjoy lang!
Okay, good afternoon. Sa pagtulungan, every Saturday is our date to have our contestant here na gusto ko na ito ng kasinapit sa alantik sa una-una ang talahapon na ito na tulungan ng extra trivia. Alam ko na ito sa nasusunod. Before that, isa pa sa ako akong ACT family, okay? I would like to shout out my ACT family. Okay. My ACT family namely, our beloved Dean, Ma'am Rachel Sibial, and our program director, Sir Reynaldo Dantes, and likewise to all the teachers sa language department, headed by our Ma'am Grace, Ibanez, Ma'am Jonah, Ma'am Andre, Ma'am Casey, Sir Jeffrey, Miss Eve, Sir Lee, Ma'am Tata Fontana, and yours truly. And from Jennifer Cantiler from the Research Department. Then we have the Social Sciences, Sir Clyde, Sir Ken, Ma'am Sheila, Ma'am Eleanor, Ma'am Alfie, Sir Tom, Sir Billy Moore. And likewise, the Science and Math Department, Sir Ed, Lisan, Sir Malubag, Ma'am Campos, Ma'am Leia, Sir Marzon. And we have the Engineer Education Department, Sir Dantes, Sir Santi, Ma'am Las. And we have also from the MAPI Department, Sir June, Sir Jolo, Sir Joel, Ma'am Josie, Ma'am Maris, Ma'am Darrell, Ma'am Jane, Ma'am Andrea, and to my SC Department, Mabuhay. Likewise, i-shoutout na ako ang former colleagues sa Gaisano Super Bookstore, okay? Okay. Shoutout na ako, headed by Ma'am Bibi Oy, Rosalina Gobantiza, Lorna Yesinia, Delisa Alma Almo, Faye Bragat, Mercy Tabanyan, Elvi Lapot, Enola Fernandez, Linda Aligato, Lulet, Lidia Monsanto, Lidia Librado, Tati Lopas, Susan Her, also and my list, Ami Hugadora, Mrs. Liza Olgoli, Yoli Espina. And likewise to my hometown in the Manhogs, sa Baribulat na bila akong brother, si Rinaldo B, ang iyong mga anak, si Stephen, si Ryan, si Daphne, ang mga kulit ng mga apo, si Tata, si Alea. And likewise, sa kanang taga-barangay Tudulubuan, especially the Villa Process family, so the family, the new Occurrence family. And so all na lang our listeners, every Saturday doon na yung hukuman ka na to. Thank you for patronizing Exo Trivia, okay? So before that, ako sa kaila-ila ito mga contestant karon. Kung last Saturday, ito mga contest, mga dagpo karon pinagmayay na sa talos. Try to find out pinatawang nagmayay kung bright ba ni tubag sa akong mga question, okay? On my left side, ate kaila si Ken Philip Carillo, 13 years old. Eskwela sa Kapata po, elementary school, okay? Kian. Shout out yung mama, papa, yung teacher sa Kapata Elementary School, okay? Go!
Shout out yung mama, Jimmy Nandiyo, papa, Lino Nandiyo, mga maestra, Lori na Lori.
Kasi na siya mayuin.
Lori na akong advisor.
Kaya sa may something yung ginagawa ni ma'am?
English, math,
Okay. Kasi sa elementary mo dahil datan na. So, kung saan may paborito yung mga subject na karong panahon na ipabutan na kung katubag asa mga bright na subject?
science.
Okay. Bantay na. Okay, science. Scientist day, mata. Okay, sige. Mukha ko ng mga scientific symbols. Okay. Okay, ready na ka, Kian?
Ready na?
Okay, sige. Ato sa pagtanong, atong usa kagamato sa contestant, si Nino. Okay, Nino? Are you ready? Okay, ano sa mga preparation karon ng kayo ka mas bright kay Kian? Ano sa mga sabi yung paborito? Filipino, okay. Sige, shout out sa inyong mama, papa, and teacher. Go.
Shout out sa mama, papa, teacher.
Asa mo yung mama, papa ka ba?
Sabaw.
Yung mama?
Sabaw.
Sila na nagtrabaho? Hindi doon tayo lang hindi mo porta kayo mga papa nagtrabaho. Wala po, baw? Ha? So, ano ba sabihin nila? Kung may nagbago. Okay. So, shout out sa inyong teacher ka. Sa inyong teacher.
Shout out.
Ay, mga advisor. Shout out mga advisor.
Shout out sa teacher. Sherdy.
Sila?
Sherdy.
Sure ko? Para na ko ba? Isa mo na sa survey. Gusto may handle na sa atin sa survey. Oh.
Mapit.
Okay, mag-bright eh. Mag-Filipino eh. Ang mapisat. Kung parang tayo kita mo. Okay, sige. Ato sa, ayaw sa tamo sa house rules or mechanics sa game. Ang atong games composed of upat ka batch. Ang batch 1 to 5 mo na yung first batch. Ang batch 2 mo na yung 6 to 10. Ang batch number 3 mo na 11 to 15. Ang batch 4 mo na yung 16 to 20 na yung question. Ako sa siyang bason ang mga question, ha? Paminaw. Iyan ang inyo. After na pupasa sa question, A, B, C, D, that's a type, ini-po sa mga, okay, may na-try. Okay, so, kung kisay makauna na ito, mga nang makapuntos. However, kung hindi makatubag ang usa, pwede siya kamusti, okay? Ready na? Na? Ready?
Ready.
Who's good?
Ready.
Okay, sige, kamay sa bibig muna. Okay, let's have question number 1. Okay, eyes on the monitor and kamay sa bibig. Okay. Which is, Bellingcat is the largest. Which is the largest cat in the Philippines? Which is? Which is the largest cat in the Philippines? Sakto? Okay, which is the Bellingcat largest? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah rather. And D. Leopard. Okay, sige. Okay. Check na ba ninyo? Okay, ninyo.
B.
Are you sure? B? Di na kamuhalin? You are ninyo, right?
Oh.
Okay, B daw daw. Okay, sorry ninyo. Okay, it's time for you to steal
A.
Ian.
A.
Sure na ka, A judge?
Sure.
Di kamuhalin?
A.
Okay, A daw daw Excel. Okay. Ian, okay? Mabali, si Ian ay left. Okay, for a while.
What?
Right, si Ian. Okay, so si Ninyo, 5.6. You are Ian, right?
Yes.
Ian, maoy 1 point. Si Ninyo, okay. Let's proceed to question number 2. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Okay, malikot. Kamay sa bibig mo na. That's the house rule. Ian, Ninyo, okay. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. Pinatala ko nung planet. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. And D. Letter D. Venus. Okay, ninyo. At Ian.
C. Jupiter.
Kasi mo, si Ian eh. Ian.
C. Jupiter.
C. Jupiter. Okay. Okay. You got a correct answer, Ian. Okay. Okay, as a recap, Ian got 2 points while Ninyo wala pa siya puntos. Okay, tangtamot ninyo. Okay, let's proceed to question number 3. In which city did the Olympic Games originate? Okay, A. Rome. B. Athens. C. Paris. And letter D. London. Okay, sige. Ian,
A. Rome.
are you sure?
Sure.
Confident kayo? Confident is Ian. Okay, yes. Okay, it's time for you to steal Ninyo.
C.
Letter?
C.
Sure na ka? Fix your answer. Say good. Okay, say daw dong Excel. Okay, sorry. The correct answer is letter B. Athens. Okay, kamay sa bibig. Ikulbaan ka. Ninyo?
Yes.
Okay, sige lang ang galis. Okay, relax lang. Okay, si Kian na nagkamot yun sa seryoso kayo. Wala is mas mag-reta. Pamugahan joke na ba? Seryoso kasi Kian yung mas mag-reta. Sige, marala ko. Kita mo sa video. Okay, sige. Question number 4. Nakapagtuturo ka mo?
Mana.
O, yun na energy. Naabutan eh. Tuba, marunong dito. Eskwila ka ba? Nabina ka sa yung teacher. Kaya full of energy. Okay, kasi napapuro sa question empty in stomach, right? Okay, so let's have question number 4. How many Olympic rings are there? Okay. How many Olympics are there? A, 4, B, 6, letter C, 5, and letter D, 7. Okay, Kian.
5C.
Letter C, 5. Be confident kay si Kian, right? Kian, okay, wow. As a recap, Kian got 3 points. Well, ninyo wala pa ninyo, I think nisi na ninyo. Okay, let's proceed to question number 5, no? Okay, number 5. Okay. Last batch name or batch number 1. Last question for batch number 1. What is the fastest aquatic animal? Okay. Sa kung may pinaka-usong aquatic animal na nasa tubig. Okay, A, dolphins. B, shellfish. C, blue and tuna. And letter D, killer whale. Okay, sige. Iyan. As ninyo. Ninyo. A. Sure na yun ka? Confident ka na? Sure na yun ka? Okay, answer ninyo. Yes, Ian.
Selfish, B.
Letter
B, selfish.
Letter B, okay. Nanghalos din si Kian, okay. Okay, pahuway sa mo kay magbasa sa commercial sa recap. Kian got 4 points, so hindi wala pagkikapuntos.
Produktong barato ba ang iyong ibalita? Harina mo sa Wonder Jam online shop. Aduna kitay Soul Pillow, o kaduna po kitay Gold Product Sabasa, Complete Sheet, Perfect Class Gold, o Rising Coffee. Sa ganahan order, sisitala mo sa among Activate at Wonder Jam online shop.
Wonder FM Cebu, ang online radio sa mga Bisaya. Enjoy lang!
Okay, pasalamat mga sponsor kay mga hindi ko number 1 all over Visayas Mindanao. Pinagi sa internet radio. Pasalamat sa BSD Realty Corporation. Kaya Mrs. Eneline Calma Go sa Hagubi, Mandawi City. Dahil pasalamatan si Ma'am Delabeth Limpagok sa St. Peter Lightland, Ayala Branch. Dahil pasalamatan si Belen Dried Chicken. Kaya Ma'am Belen and family sa Lawaan, Talisay City. Ay pasalamatan ang B Cafe Cebu, kaya Ma'am Shirley Lin sa Escabao, Cebu City, Mr. Ricardo de la Cruz sa USPR Bookstore Department and Office, Manila Street, Cebu City, mga Cebu Service Center, Mr. Harvey Cho sa Mayon Street, Simpson Village, Mandawi City. Ang Andres Core Solution Corporation, pinagin ni Joy sa Pipolo, Mandawi City. Pista kalit na pasalamat sa Canto Street Ramen. Pinagin ni Ma'am Paula sa Delos Avila Street, Cebu City. So, ang Gold Chain Jewelry Incorporated, pinagin ni Ma'am Lorna Ira sa Calderon Street, Cebu City. Kaya kung gusto mo sa lahat, at ito ang sa Gold Chain Jewelry Store na ito sa Calderon Street, Cebu City. So, ang Cafe Hayate from Ma'am Hasman and Sir Omar. Sa barangay Kasambagan, Cebu City. May pasalamatan si Jinky Silion Proprietor, Jinky Fresh Dealer, Villa San Pedro, Tulay ng Cebu, Ms. Rebecca Fuentes, Kira Beverly Room Restaurant sa F. Manalo Street, Cebu City. On charge for construction supply, pinagin ni Ate Haide Tan sa Cogon Ramos, Cebu City. May pasalamatan ang sponsor kay Alma Amulen, ito nagiging siya mag-sponsor, mag-patronize sa ito ang Alma very much. Ito na ngayon pabubuto nimo kay Ma'am Alma Amoren, Religious Item Shop, located sa door number 3, GF Mason Building sa Mora Street, Barangay Santo Niño. They are selling complete religious and souvenir articles and images at a very affordable price. For orders and reservation, please call 239-1005 and look for Ma'am Alma Amoren, the proprietor. Likewise, si Ma'am Joy and Sir Mitch Stacy sa 215 Golden Route, Iato, Ohio, 45320 USA. Okay, ang beloved sisters, Anita Rivera, proprietor of Financial Merchandise, South 2nd Street, Barangay 3, Tato City, Misamis Occidental. Kung shout out sa ilang bago ang grand opening sa Crispy King, kung gusto mo mga naggamit kayo na chicken, at na mo pangako sa Crispy King, located ang open nila sa Tato City, Misamis Occidental. Pinagi ni Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Laverne Rivera. And likewise, isa po kayo magpapasala ni Ma'am Ann Rubicada of Sister Richie Sebrero sa MG Queen o Avenue, Cebu City. Ako balikon, Ma'am Ann Rubicada of Sir Richie Sebrero sa MG Queen Street, Cebu City. So our general sponsor, thank you very much for patronizing Extra Credit. Okay? Let's proceed to batch number 2. Okay, item number 6 at 10 o'clock. So our viewers, as a recap, si Kian, nakakuha pa puntos sa si Ninyo, wala pag yung taon, okay? Ay pag-luya-luya yan ang Ninyo, okay? Let's proceed to question number 6, okay? This is batch number 2 na tayo. Okay, number 6. Our worker is male or female? Okay, dua lang choices. Our worker B is kuno, buyog, or male ba ko or female? A, basta A is male and B is female. Pag di na yung magubang. Okay, yes, Kian. Male? Okay, letter A daw. Okay, so answer. So ikaw, ako, tapos ikaw. Okay, sige. Naka-record ako sa hinaya, kaya maguba na ito, wala tayo microphone, kamaya din mo, ano din mo trabaho, din mo maguba na. Ay lang pag-ilog. Ha? Relax lang, kayo Okay, let's proceed to question number 7. Okay. How many Earth can fit inside the sun? Okay. How many Earth can fit inside the sun? A. Sige, number 1.3 million. B. 100,000. Letter C. 1,010. And letter D. 10 million. Okay, yes, Ninyo. Oy, what's your answer?
C.
Sure na ka? Sure na ka? Sige, C. Yes, no. Okay, you get our answer. Yes, Ian.
D.
Letter?
D.
Letter D. Well, other answers are wrong. Okay, the right answer is letter A. Hinay lang ninyo. Kaya magkumba ang microphone o kanang bell. Kasi mabilis ka talaga. Okay. Let's proceed to question number 8. The which color is an emerald? Okay. You know what is an emerald? Okay, sige. Just guess lang, hindi ko sure. A, blue. B, red. Letter C, green. And letter D, yellow. Okay, sige, ninyo.
B.
Letter
B.
B, red. Okay, letter B daw. Okay, so, ninyo, give it a wrong answer. Yes, Tian.
C. Green.
Letter?
C. Green.
Sure na ka?
Sure.
Okay, there's... Okay, si Tian got 5 points, while ninyo 1 point pa. Okay, sige, let's proceed to question number 9. Relax lang ninyo. Okay, sige. Which nose grow longer every time you lie? Okay, mutasin ninyo. Pero kung okay ba, mutasin ninyo. Mukhayang ka na. Okay. A, Mickey Mouse, ang animal din A. B, Cinderella. C, Snow White. And letter D, Pinocchio. Okay, Kian.
D. Pinocchio.
Okay, so letter D daw. Okay. Basta mawakas siya, no? Mawakas siya. Wala ko rin dito. Bawal ito pangutana. Okay, question number 10. What is this image? Okay, try to look. A, option here. B, option here though. Okay. So, kung saan may A, parang sila A, B, C, option here po. Let's take a substance. Okay, sige. Write your questions here. A, United States. B, France. And C, India. Sino ka na? Okay, ninyo.
B.
B? Okay.
Wala.
Asan ang gitna? B?
A.
A or B?
A.
Ah?
B. Apostrophe.
Hindi, basta ako sa question mo. B?
Walang question. Walang question. Walang question. Tama ko.
Pero lasa ako sa kanang question version ka number 10. Sa? Okay, folks, stay put down for a while because we encountered technical problem. Stay for a moment. Okay, let's pause for a break. Let's have a commercial first, okay?
Mandani Bay DJ Dangpao present Kini ang akong tubag. Sa pagsugod ni mong negosyo sa real estate, aduna kay mga pangutana mahitungod sa Mandani Bay. Nagkilala kag-ahente aron sa pagtubag sa imong mga pangutana. Ug tungod niya na, pwede nimong ipangutana ni DJ Dangpao sa Kini ang akong tubag. Kini ang akong tubag. Busa, kung may mga pangutana kamo mahitungod sa Mandani Bay, pwede niyang appointment si Ariel Nadayag o DJ Dangpao aron sa pagtubag sa inyong mga pangutana kabahin sa Mandani Bay. Kini ang akong tutubag. Kini ang akong tutubag. Dalit kaninyo ni DJ Dangpao, ang ahente ng Mandani Bay, hangtod sa sulod may adlaw.
Lower blood sugar, anti-cancer, regulate blood circulation, immune booster, anti-stress, increasing libido for men and women to gain extra endurance in intimate activities, and also good in swimming for it also promotes digestion with powerful herbs. Moringa, graviola, Panax ginseng, ginkgo biloba, and Maize root, Tribulus terrestre, Tomcat olive.
Is a combination of essential ingredients that provides your body the necessary vitamin C for protection against illnesses, and it promotes skin health and other health benefits. Complete C helps anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antioxidant, anti-carcinogenic, immune booster, control blood sugar, reduces cholesterol, overall wellness, strengthens joints, promotes heart health, natural antiseptic, and improves digestion. Anti-aging, minimize fine lines, skin whitening, good for hair and sleep, instantly improve your skin's texture, reduces wrinkles and pimples, moisturize and smoothen skin, keep your skin from sagging. It has 40x more antioxidants, 75% more collagen for that youthful and glowing look from the inside out. It is a non-acidic vitamin C that you can take even in an empty stomach. With calcium as its base, providing necessary minerals to your bones that prevents osteoporosis. Plus the combination of quercetin that activates recycling of vitamin C so that the body will retain its unused amount and ready to be consumed when the body needs it.
UE Zoe Dream Life Health Awareness and Prevention Program.
Okay, sabi ko sa itong ambay listener. Okay, sorry, medyo nawaki kayo sa kanina kaya doon sa technical problem, but I guess the show must go on, okay? Okay, shout out niya ang Hugadora for patronizing extra therapy. Thank you tayo, ang Hugadora, okay? Magpasalamat at bali sa tanong sponsor, kay Maugili and Gimo Kanato #1 all over besides through Internet Radio. GSK Realty Corporation, kaya Mrs. Evelyn Calmacgo, Santubi, Amadali City. Ma'am Lelebet Jimpangok, sa San Peter Lightland, Ayala Branch. Billion Dress Chicken, Pinagi Ma'am Billet and Family, Sarawan, Tres City. Ms. Jinky Silion, proprietor sa Jinky Fest Beer, Villa San Pedro Tulay, Miglan, Cebu, Mr. Eka Fuentes, Beverly Road Restaurant and Manal Cebu City, Chart, Construction Supply, Ate Haide Tan, Sabuel Ramos. Dahil pasalamatan ang Cantor Street Ramen, Ma'am Paula, sa doon na si Avila Street Cebu City, The Gold Chain Jewelry Store, from Ma'am Lorna Era, sa Calvary Street Cebu City, Kaki Hayate, from Ma'am Hasmen, kaya niya Sir Omar, the proprietor sa Barangay Kasambagan Cebu City. Dahil pasalamatan ng Bika Cebu, Ma'am Sherlyn, Escabal Street Cebu City, Ma'am Mr. Ricardo Villa Cruz, sa USBR Bookstore Department, Magallanes Street Cebu City, Cebu Service Center, pinaginawa Harvey Cho, sa Mayo Street, Kingston Village, Mandawi City. Pag-isa na kalimut sa Trescore Industrial Solution, care of Ma'am Joy sa Tipolo, Mandawi City. Mapasalamat sa ito ni Ma'am Alma Almon Religious Item Shop, located at floor number 3, Dear Ensign Doggy Samar Street, Barangay Santo Niño. They are selling complete religious and southern articles at ranges at very affordable prices. For orders and reservations, please call 239-1005 and look for Ma'am Alma Amoy, the proprietor. Please nakakalimut po salamat ni Ma'am Joy and Sir Mitch Stacy, 215 Golden Road, Yaton, Ohio, 45320 USA. Yung Glory Sister Anita Rivera, proprietor of Peanut General Merchandise, sa Barangay 3 Santos City, Misamis Occidental. O shout out sa ilang grand opening sa Crispy King Chicken located sa Santos Street, Misamis Occidental. Proprietor, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Lauren Rivera. O mapasalamat sa ito ni Ma'am Andy Cada sa MD Pulico Avenue o si Sir Richie Cervero. Thank you so much. Okay?
Is your radio out of trend? Tired of the same old playlist? We got you. Wonder FM Cebu, your premier online radio station, bringing the best in health and wellness, sports and entertainment, game show and movies, news and current events, music and arts. Wonder FM Cebu, where music, stories, and good vibes come together. Our experienced team understands the local market dynamics and will work closely with you to create customized advertising solutions, such as display business logo during live stream, business voiceover, 2D or whiteboard commercial video, and advertising through Facebook ads. But hold on, there's more. Wonder Hapless, your instant miracle in a tube. Wonder Hapless Essential Oil. Wonder Hapless Rub. Wonder Hapless Roller. And Wonder Hapless Inhaler. Wonder Production. Discover your star potential. We offer partnering with Wonder FM Cebu is not just about advertising. It's about building meaningful connections and growing your business together. Join us as your advertiser
Wonder FM Cebu, ang online radio sa mga Bisaya. Enjoy lang!
Okay, magpasalamat ng balik sa itong mga direct sponsor kaya mga naging ato ng kawas sa Internet Radio all over the Estados Unidos. Yes, Realty Corporation, pinagin ni Mrs. Emeline Calmango sa Hagubi, Almandawi City. Kaya pasalamat si Ma'am Delabeth Limpango sa St. Peter Light Plant, Ayala Branch. Of si Belen Dried Chicken, pinagin ni Ma'am Belen and family sa Lawaan, Dalisay City, the proprietor. Pasalamat sa Bay Cafe Cebu, care of Ma'am Sherilyn, sa Escabao Street, Cebu City. Mr. Ricardo de la Cruz, of Yes We Are Bookstore, Magallanes Street, Cebu City. Cebu Service Center, care of Mr. Harvey Cho, sa Mayo Street, Simpson Village, Mandawi City. Isa na kalimot pagkaka sa Trescore Solution Corporation, care of Miss Joyce at Ipolo, Mandawi City. Dahil pasalamatan ang Canto Street Ramen, care of Ma'am Paula, sa Damasia Avila Street, Cebu City. The Gold Chain Jewelry Store, at kung gusto mga alahas, at ito nakapapamalit sa Gold Chain Jewelry Store. Naimatang sa Caldero Street, Cebu City, ang proprietor si Ma'am Lorna Erad. Dahil pasalamatan ang Cafe Hayate from Ma'am Asmet and Sir Omar, the proprietor, barangay Kasambagan, Cebu City. Isa na kayo pasalamat sa Niles Jinky Sirion, the proprietor, sa Jinky Fish Dealer, Villa San Pedro, Tulay, Miguel de Cebu. May pasalamat sa Mr. Rebecca Fuentes, care of Beverly Room Restaurant at Manila Street, Cebu City. Charles Construction Supplies, pinagin Ma'am Ate Haitan, the proprietor, sa Turon Ramos, Cebu City. Okay, ako pasalamat sa akong royal na kanang sponsor, si Ma'am Alma Amurin, Religious Item Shop, located at door number 3, TFX Sandoling, Samora Street, Barangay Santo Niño. They are selling complete religious and souvenir articles and images at a very affordable price. For orders and reservation, please call 239-1005 and look for Ma'am Alma Amurin, the proprietor. Isa na kayo magpapasalamat, si Ma'am Joy and Sir Mitch Stacy sa 215 Golden Route, Iaton, Ohio, 45320 USA. Yan, beloved sister. Anita Rivera, the proprietor of Kenneth General Merchandise, sa Barangay 3, Taco City, Miss Hamis of Sarintal. So, shout out na sa ilang bagong opening na Crispy King Chicken located sa Taco City, Miss Hamis of Sarintal. So, gibarangay ang kiling ni Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Laverne Rivera. Okay, kapag mahiling ng chicken, at ito mo pa sa bagong opening sa Crispy King Chicken ay matang sa Tango City, Misan Occidental. Ipalagay ni Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Laverne Rivera. Isa ko kalimut ko salamat kay Ma'am Andy Cada o si Sir Richie Sebrero sa MG Brinco Avenue, Cebu City. To all our general sponsor, thank you, but very much for patronizing Excel Trivia. Okay? Let's pause for some commercial.
Produktong Baratuba, Imong Iparita, Arena mo sa Wonder Jam Online Shop, aduna kitay, Soul Pillow, o kaduna po kitay, Gold Product, Samasa, Coffee Seat, Perfect Class Gold, o Pricing Coffee. Sa kanahan order, isisita lang mo sa among FB page, ang Wonder Jam Online Shop.
Wonder FM Cebu, ang online radio sa mga Bisaya. Enjoy lang!
Mandani Bay DJ Dangpao present kini ang akong tubag. Sa pagsugod nimong negosyo sa real estate, aduna kay mga pangutana mahitungod sa Mandani Bay. Nagkinahanglan kag-ahente aron sa pagtubag sa imong mga pangutana ug tungod niya na pwede nimong mga pangutana ni DJ Dangpao sa kini ang akong tubag. Kini ang akong tubag. Busa, kung may mga pangutana kamo mahitungod sa Mandani Bay, pwede niyang appointment si Ariel Nadayag o DJ Dangpao aron sa pagtubag sa inyong mga pangutana kabahin sa Mandani Bay. Kini ang akong tubag. Kini ang akong tubag. Dalit kaninyo ni DJ Dangpao, ang ahente ng Mandani Bay, hangtod sa sulod may adlaw.
sugar, anti-cancer, regulate blood circulation, immune booster, anti-stress, increasing libido for men and women to gain extra endurance in intimate activities, and also good in slimming for it also promotes digestion with powerful herbs. Moringa, graviola, Panax ginseng, ginkgo biloba, and Maize root, Tribulus terrestre, Tomcat olive.
C supplements is a combination of essential ingredients that provides your body the necessary vitamin C for protection against illnesses, and it promotes skin health and other health benefits. Complete C helps anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antioxidant, anti-carcinogenic, immune booster, control blood sugar, reduces cholesterol, overall wellness, strengthens joints, promotes heart health, natural antiseptic, and improves digestion. Anti-aging, minimize fine lines, skin whitening, good for hair and sleep, instantly improves your skin's texture, reduces wrinkles and pimples, moisturize and smoothen skin, keep your skin from sagging. It has 40x more antioxidants, 75% more collagen for that youthful and glowing look from the inside out. It is a non-acidic vitamin C that you can take even in an empty stomach. With calcium as its base, providing necessary minerals to your bones that prevents osteoporosis. Plus the combination of quercetin that activates recycling of vitamin C so that the body will retain its unused amount and ready to be consumed when the body needs it.
UE Zoe Dream Life Health Awareness and Prevention Program. OBA is the best screening procedure designed to inform individuals about their health status. It's often used to spot nutritional deficiencies, assess the state of your immune system, and more. This is the live blood analysis, or LBA on the spot result. These can be detected in LBA, arthritic, ulcer, asthma, high blood, infection, white blood cells, allergies, blood cholesterol, HEPA, liver, uric acid, kidney, gout, stress, diabetes, fatigue, hypertension, depression, insomnia, and more. Health is wealth. Nourish, move, and thrive every day.
Corporation, sinabi ni Mrs. Emeline Calmago. Sa habuhi ang malasiri ang balita ng GSP Realty Corporation, care of Mrs. Emeline Calmago, sa habuhi ang malasiri. Isa na kalimpo kasama si Ma'am Lilibet Limpamo sa St. Peter Lightland, Ayala Branch. O ang Bilen Fresh Chicken, sinabi ni Ma'am Bilen and family, the proprietor sa Lawan Talisay City. Isa na kalimpo kasama Canto Street Ramen, care of Man Paula, sa naman sa Avila Street, Cebu City. The Food Chain Jewelry Store, Brahman Lorna Era, proprietor, sa Avila Street, Cebu City. At kung hindi mo tayo mga alahas, gusto mo ka umali kung mga alahas, at kung umali sa Gold Chain Jewelry Store, affordable kay ilang peso, makahangi o kumita lang si Lorna Era, ang proprietor. So, ang Coffee Hayate from husband to Sir Umar, ang proprietor sa Barangay Sabagan, Cebu City. Kaya pasalamatan ang D Coffee Cebu, kaya ang ginawang Sherlyn, Escabao Street, Cebu City, Mr. Ricardo de la Cruz sa USJR Bookstore sa Magallanes Street, Cebu City. Cebu Service Center, care of Mr. Harvey Cho sa Mayo Street, Simpson Village, Mandaue City. Ito nakali sa Bestcore Solution Corporation, care of Ms. Joy sa Tipolo, Mandaue City. O ang Sinas G.K. Silion, the proprietor, G.K. Fresh Dealers, Villa San Pedro Tulay, Cebu, Ms. Rebecca Fuentes, care of Beverly Rome Restaurant, F. Mando Street, Cebu City. On charge ng trust and supply, pinagi ni Ma'am Ate Heide Tan, the proprietor sa Common Ramos, Cebu City. May pasalamatan si Ma'am Alma Album Amulen sa religious item shop located at door number 3, care of GF Men's Building sa Morris Street, Barangay Santo Niño. They are selling complete religious and sundry art balls and any gest at a very affordable price. For orders and reservation, please call 2391005 and look for Alma Amulen, the proprietor. Please at nakalimutan pa salamat ni Ma'am Joy and Sir Miss Stacy, 215 Bollitt Road, Yaton, Ohio, 45320 USA. Kung ilang labis si Sir Anita Rivera, the proprietor of Peanut General Merchandise sa South Barangay 3 Standard City, Misamis Occidental. O shout out sa ilang grand opening sa Crispy King's Chicken located sa Tandok City, Misamis Occidental. Kita na i-opening nila sa Mrs. Ronald Ann Laverne Rivera. Ulit at kalimutang pasalamat sa ni Ma'am Ann Bicada of Richie Sombrero sa MG Quintos Avenue, Cebu City. So our original sponsor, thank you for patronizing Extra Trivia.
Is your radio out of trend? Tired of the same old playlist? We got you. Wonder FM Cebu, your premier online radio station, bringing the best in health and wellness, sports and entertainment, game show and movies, news and current events, music and arts. Wonder FM Cebu, where music, stories, and good vibes come together. Understands the local market dynamics and will work closely with you to create customized advertising solutions such as display business logo during live stream, business voiceover, 2D or whiteboard commercial video, and advertising for Facebook ads. But hold on, there's more. Wonder Hapless, your instant miracle in a tube. Wonder Hapless Essential Oil. Wonder Hapless Rub. Wonder Hapless Roller. And Wonder Hapless Inhaler. Wonder Production. Discover your star potential. We offer Wonder FM Cebu is not just about advertising. It's about building meaningful connections and growing your business together. Join us as your advertising partner.
Wonder FM Cebu, ang online radio sa mga Bisaya. Enjoy lang!
Pasalamatan balik sa mga sponsor kayo mga pasalamatan kaya ngayon number 1 of our business right now. Okay, JSK Realty Corporation, kaya Mrs. Emily Calmango, sa Haguya, Mandawi City. Ma'am Delagat Lipango, kaya San Pedro Lifeline, Ayala Branch, Cebu City. Julian Fresh Chicken, Ma'am Belen, sa Lawaan, Talisay City. Ako sa pasalamatan ang B Cafe, kaya Ma'am Sherry sa Estabal Street, Cebu City. Mr. Ricardo de la Cruz, USBR Bookstore, naging ano ka sa Magallanes Street, Cebu City. Cebu Service Center, pinagin ni Miss Harvey Cho sa Mayo Street, Singson Village, Mandawi City. Alantes for Industrial Solution Corporation, kaya Miss Joy sa Tipolo, Mandawi City. Kung ato pasalamatan masab ang si Miss Jinky sa Leon Proprietor, Jinky Fish Dealer sa Villa San Pedro, Tulay, Mindanao, Cebu. Miss Rebecca Puentes, Beverly Room Restaurant sa F. Manal Street, Cebu City. O Stars Construction Supplies, kaya ni Ate Heidi Tan sa Pugon Ramos, Cebu City. O lastly, okay, Ma'am Alma Almong Amorin, Reyes Item Shop, located number 3, Philip Exodus sa West Street, Barangay Santo Niño. There's a complete service and seminar articles at a very affordable price. For orders and reservation, please call 239-1005 and look for Ma'am Alma Amorin, the proprietor. O isa na kalimutan pasalamat ni Ma'am Joy and Sir Mitch Spency na 215 Golden Road, Seattle, Ohio, 245320 USA. O yan bilang my sister, Aneta Rivera, the proprietor of Peanut and Junior Merchandise. Sa Barangay 3, Tanggol City, Misamis Occidental. O shout out sa brand opening sa Crispy King Chicken, located sa Tanggol City, Misamis Occidental. Pipalan niya kini ni Mr. Mrs. Ronald and Lauren Rivera. O likewise, mapasalamatan ni Ma'am Ann Vicada o Sir Richard Severo sa MG Pinco Amigo Cebu City. So all original sponsors, thank you very much. And now at this point in time, I declare the winner for this episode, March 29, 2025. Our winner for this episode, no other than Ian Philip Carillo, 30 years old from Sapanga po. Sinin nyo, wala na po. So, once again, congratulations to Ian Philip is Carillo, 30 years old from Sapanga Elementary School. Okay, let's give a round of applause once again. Okay. Once again, mapasalamatan sa kagubat kaya po every Saturday is our day, Extra Feria. Until next Saturday, thank you for patroniting Extra Feria. This is your host, DJ Rick. Thank you, and once again, enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye, and enjoy the rest of the day.